Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use AI to draft press releases. So let's get started with the video. So in ChatGPT, we need to basically give a prompt. I have created a basic prompt over here. Write a professional press release for a company launching. Here you need to mention the product over here which you are launching, and then you can write include the launch date, what are the key features, and a quote from the CEO. So according to your product, they are going to generate a quote as well, its feature and what's the launch date. Just give the prompt over here. As you can see, it has generated a press release over here. What you need to do is you need to just copy this particular release that they have generated, the press release. Control C, open the Word document or any other document, just paste that particular document. You need to make the changes over here. For example, your company name, what is the city and state, when is the launch date of your product, what is the company name, what is your app name, what is the launch date. You can again mention if it's available for Android user, iOS users. Again, what is the app name you need to mention over here. You need to basically fill all the details in the square bracket. What is the CEO name, launch date, company name, and at the end, the media contact full name, title, email address, phone number, and company website. Just make sure once you have made all the changes, you can release this press which has been, you can press release this document which has been created by the ChatGPT. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.